Hi. Hey, did you know that most myofunctional therapists struggle to confidently close their sales? I know it sounds a little crazy because we're so used to hearing about how important our clinical skills are and signing patients up for treatment. And while that's important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that are going to revolutionize the way that you grow your myofunctional therapy practice and consistently close patients, i.e., sales. I'm Megan Vanoy. I am the founder of the Business of Being a Boss program for the myofunctional therapist, and I am the founder of Northwest Myofunctional Therapy, which is a $500,000 myofunctional therapy practice. So, what is the big secret to closing more sales and building a successful myofunctional therapy practice? It's understanding that selling doesn't have to feel pushy, awkward, slimy, sleazy, or any of the other cringy yuck words, okay? It's about connecting with your patients, offering them a solution, and confidently asking for payment right there during the consultation. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about how to master sales in your myofunctional therapy practice and how you can start growing your business without feeling like a salesperson, without feeling gross, without feeling like you wish you could hide under a rock. And I know what you're probably thinking. I'm not good at sales. I'm just here to help people. You can't help people if they don't buy from you. But again, I'm going to show you a great way that you can use these 3 strategies and get amazing results, even if you have no background in sales and it makes you feel a little queasy. Okay, the first secret is talking less will actually help you sell more. You should listen 3 times more than you talk when you are doing a consultation and you're trying to sell treatment. The big idea here is that when you listen more and you ask the right questions, you can connect with your clients on a deeper level. This is so important, so crucial, because people want to feel understood, and the more they talk, the more they trust you, which makes closing the treatment plan and the sale even easier. Number 2. All right, the second secret is selling is about service, not sales. The main thing to understand here is that if you're offering your clients a solution to their problem, you're not just asking them for money, right? You're offering your patients a solution. Why wouldn't they pay for that? This means when you shift your mindset from selling to serving, everything becomes easier and more natural. And then finally, our third secret is how to handle sales objections with empathy. Here's the thing. People are going to have objections, okay? And the big idea here is that most objections actually come from fear or uncertainty, not lack of interest. The key here is because when you handle objections with empathy and guide your clients through their concerns, they are going to be more likely to say yes. This is key, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if they say it's too expensive or they need to think about it? Well, again, this tricky thing is those objections are often just hesitations about value. What if they don't realize that you can address those concerns by showing them the real benefits of your services? So, I have developed a simple framework where you can handle all of the objections, any objections, with confidence and turn hesitation and hesitant patients into happy clients, okay? So what makes this so special is that you don't have to guess what to say during a consultation. You'll have all of the exact scripts and tools you need to confidently close the sale after your consultations and sign on patients. And so what this is going to do, it's going to allow you to grow your business, make more money, and have the freedom to live your life on your own terms. And as a business coach, a myofunctional therapist, the founder of a 6-figure myofunctional therapy practice with a toddler, I know how difficult it can be to juggle business and family life. But the superpower I have developed is knowing how to close sales easily and effectively, which is exactly what I'm going to teach you. What I have done is I have put all of these strategies together in my program, The Business of Being a Boss for the Myofunctional Therapist, which is specifically designed for you who want to grow their businesses and want to grow their practices. If you click the link, you can join the program today and start using these proven strategies to close more sales and grow your myofunctional business. I actually don't know how much longer we're going to keep the program available at this price. And because as the demand keeps increasing, we need to keep providing more and more personalized support for you. So click the link, get it today while it's still available. And we're always here to help. I can't tell you how all of the amazing results we've gotten from myofunctional therapists just like you who are struggling with sales and now have thriving practices. We also have some other advanced options if you need a little more, but today I'm just talking about the Business of Being a Boss program, which is absolutely game changing. And we're going to give you a fast action bonus because we reward those who take action. Okay, the universe rewards those who make decisions and make them fast. If you sign up within the next 24 hours of opening up this email, we'll give you a special $250 off coupon and also 2 mentoring calls with me during the program, one-on-one, specifically so we can deep dive into your business. So I cannot wait to see you inside, and I hope that you have the best day and that you jump in.